Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest updates.
Additional Director General of the BSF, Surinder Pawar, said that 25 to 30 militants have infiltrated into the Indian territory this year, compared to 140 infiltrators who had sneaked into India last year. He also said that 250 to 300 militants were present at the launch pads, waiting for an opportunity to infiltrate into India. Now, he was speaking at the wreath-laying ceremony of a BSF constable who died in an encounter in the Machil sector on Saturday night. Now, on Saturday night, a group of infiltrators was spotted by a BSF team. There was an exchange of fire in which one militant was gunned down. One BSF Jawan also died in action. And then early in the morning, more teams of security forces, the army, reached the spot. A contact was again established with the hiding militants, in which 2 more militants were killed. A total of 3 infiltrators were gunned down, but 3 army soldiers were also killed in action.
3 लोगों की शैडो देखी थी, उसमें 2 लोग भागने के उस वक्त कामयाब हो गए। फिर आर्मी को अलर्ट किया गया, बाकी हमारे जो पोस्ट हैं बीएसएफ की उनको अलर्ट किया गया, और फिर उन्होंने मॉर्निंग ये उनकी कंटिन्यूस फायरिंग करीबन सुबह 4:30 तक चली। जब थोड़ा दिन निकलने के बाद देखा तो सुदीप सरकार जो है शहीद हो गए थे, उनको काफ़ी गोलियां लगी थी। उसके बाद मॉर्निंग में ये ज्वाइंट ऑपरेशन, सर्च ऑपरेशन किया, और उसके बाद वहाँ पे 2 मिलिटेंट और गिराए, और इसमें हमारे आर्मी के कैप्टन जो आप सभी जानते हैं, आशुतोष कुमार जी, और 2 जवान शहीद हो गए।
So in all 3 army jawans and 1 BSF man died in action in that encounter. The additional Director General of the BSF said that operations in Machil are still continuing. Clearly, it's a desperate bid by the militants to infiltrate at this point in time, because there is prediction of snowfall, and when the snow falls, it closes the passes, and then it makes it virtually impossible to carry out infiltration.
जो हमारे इंटेलिजेंस सोर्स के पता लगता है करीबन 250-300 करीब मिलिटेंट हैं, बट इस साल जो है थोड़ा उनका इन्फिल्ट्रेशन कम हुआ कंपेरेटिवली लास्ट ईयर। इस बार तक जो हमारी खबर है वो 24-25 ही कर पाए हैं, पिछले साल 135-40 के करीब थे।
So clearly there are chances that there could be more infiltration attempts in the coming days. The additional Director General of the BSF said that troops are on the highest alert at the line of control. So clearly that's the situation on the ground. 250 to 300 militants waiting for an opportunity to infiltrate into India. They are at the launch pads. The infiltration levels have come down. Just 25 to 30 militants have infiltrated this year, compared to 140 last year. In Srinagar, Zafar Iqbal.